Hi everybody, you make small pieces of this tissue paper and pour water on it. After that, mix different colors to it like this. Now we are going to put it on the layout of this beautiful artwork. We are drawing flowers, leaves. Cover it like this and look, your artwork is ready. We are going to make flower by pressing this clay. We are putting white clay like this. Now we are making textures on it using any pointy object like this. Put yellow color in the center and look, your artwork is ready. Let's make a beautiful artwork. We are going to tie this tissue paper and color it like this and look at this beautiful texture. After this, we are going to cut this girl figure and make the skirt by pasting it and look, it is ready. Take a tissue paper, fold it like this, make a small piece and start coloring it like this. Dab random different colors on it and cover it like this. Now we are going to open it and look at this beautiful pattern. You can make more such patterns. Let's make these colorful patterns using tissue paper. Fold a tissue paper and cut a shape like this. Now dab colorful paint on it using sketch pen and you can also make different patterns. Now open it and you can make more beautiful patterns on tissue paper like this. We are also making a watermelon shape and look, it is ready. Take a tissue paper and hold it from the center. Tie it like this using rubber band. Now color it and we are going to make beautiful patterns. Now open it like this and look, it is ready. You can make more patterns like this using colorful paints. Thank you so much for watching this video.